Appearances don't define us, but let's be real. First impressions are everything. The real question, does your outfit decide your fate before you even say a word? In this little social experiment, we sent three distinct aesthetics into the world. The trendsetters, the casual, and the effortlessly chill. Who got the VIP treatment? Who was just not a face in the crowd? And who was overlooked entirely? In a city where your coffee order comes with a side of judgment, we're about to find out if style really speaks louder than words. Stay tuned, darlings. XOXO.
Hey guys!
Hi guys!
Hey guys!
Hi guys, so we just got a text that Swadha and Trisha have reached and we are trying to sneakily record them, and we are kind of scared because we'll be sitting on like different tables and we'll be alone, so we don't know how it's going to be. Let's see.
And we haven't like done any pre-shoot or whatever. We are just going in like that.
The food is finally here. In fact, it was so quick. We got it in like 2 minutes of ordering it.
Would you like to have sauces?
No, nothing. Thank you.
Yeah. We got it so quick, no?
It's so nice. Like,
I'm so excited.
Spotted S, effortlessly posing while her friends work the angles, but is it just a casual click or is the influencer effect in full swing?
I saw you were taking pictures in our cafe. So this is one of these from us.
Oh my god, thank you.
This is Red Velvet
Free
Cheesecake.
dessert. It looks so
Red Desert.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It looks so good, no? I know.
let me take pictures.
Yeah. How pretty. I love it.
Hi guys, so our food just came and the service is a little slow for us. Like, you know, people are not attending to us as quickly and we still haven't gotten our plates yet, even though our food is here. So let's see how it rolls out.
Hi guys, so we've been here for the past 20 minutes and we don't even have a menu on our table yet. I'm sorry to say, but I'm a little surprised.
Guys, also like we have been waiting and there's no waiter attending to us, and I don't know, the service here is like really poor, it's really bad, and I feel like that we are being treated really differently, like as compared to the previous people, the 4 others, we are being treated like in a very poor manner. So I don't know, it's kind of disappointing. So guys, our food has finally arrived after a good 25 minutes and I mean, it's disappointing. Look at this.
I mean, there isn't really a cheese pull, and it's really cold.
It's cold with no cheese pull, so I don't know.
तो थैंक यू भैया, आपने हमारे एक्सपेरिमेंट में पार्ट लिया। तो बेसिकली हमारा एक्सपेरिमेंट था जहाँ पर हमको बताना था कि आपका एफिक बिहेवियर और आपका कंज्यूमर सर्विस कैसे चेंज होता है हमारे ड्रेसिंग पे। तो जैसे हमने बताया, फर्स्ट लेवल में वो ड्रेस पहन के आए थे, सेकेंड लेवल में वो जो लड़कियाँ थे उन्हें टी शर्ट और जीन्स पहना था, थर्ड लेवल में हमने बताया वो पजामाज और जैकेट पहन के आए थे। तो आपने फर्स्ट लेवल को ऐसा डिफरेंटली क्यों ट्रीट किया?
जो फर्स्ट लेवल पे जैसे आपका 3 लेवल्स था, मैंने ध्यान दिया। तो फर्स्ट लेवल में जैसे मैंने गेस्ट को देखा, उनका अपीयरेंस देखा, उनका गुड लुकिंग देखा, तो उन्होंने जो ड्रेसिंग किया था मुझको उनका सेंस बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो मुझे लगा कि वो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हो सकते हैं। तो मैंने अपना बेस्ट देने के लिए मैंने उनको अपने बेस्ट से बेस्ट सर्विस दिया, और इसी के साथ साथ मैंने उनको ऑन द हाउस कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री केक भी दिया, जो मुझे लगा कि उनको शायद अच्छा लग सकता है। तो जो कि उनको काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। उन्होंने मुझको बोला भी कि आपका केक काफ़ी अच्छा है, और उनके बाद उन्होंने फ़ोटोज़ भी लिया काफ़ी हमारे रेस्टोरेंट का, और उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला कि हम इसको पोस्ट करेंगे, जो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा सर्विस। इसके लिए मैंने उनको काफ़ी अच्छा सर्विस दिया बाकी दोनों के कंपैरिजन में।
ठीक है। सो बेसिकली हमारा टॉपिक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ह्यूरिस्टिक था। जिसमें हमको देखना है कि अगर हम जो कपड़े पहन के आते हैं तो हम कोई स्टीरियोटाइप में फिट होते हैं या नहीं, जैसे आपको लगा कि वो जिसने ड्रेस पहना था वो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स है, तो ऐसे ही। तो थैंक यू सो मच, आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया और आपने इतना आपका वक्त डाला। ठीक है, थैंक।
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hey guys.
Just ordered pizza and it looks so delicious. And the place is so pretty. We're obsessed. The whole cafe looks so beautiful and aesthetic. We're gonna
So
go.
full already. It's so filling. It's so cheesy.
We're gonna go take like 100 pictures now.
Yeah.
Because
So
the place
plain
is
and
so
cute.
cute. It's the cutest cafe ever.
Spotted. B. Posing like a pro while her friend gets the shot. Candid moment or influencer magic? With style like that, even a pizza date feels like straight out of a magazine.
Guys, we love the service. The food came so quickly.
Yeah.
And
Even served us the pizza.
yeah, and we even offered for some things, but we didn't want any. So yeah, but the staff was really nice. And they even offered to click our pictures when we were trying to click pictures. So we love the experience here.
Totally.
Yeah.
Hi guys. So we've ordered our pizza. It's been like 10-15 minutes ish. The service has been pretty nice till now. Nothing out of the ordinary. And yeah, we'll keep you all updated.
So we just got our pizza and it was amazing.
It was so good, but they did not serve it to us. And for the first level, they had served it to them, so we had to serve ourselves. It wasn't that bad, but it was a really good pizza.
Hey guys, so it's been about 25 minutes since we ordered our food, and once it arrives, we'll let you know how it is.
And about the service of the place, it's average only, and the place is nice though. So we forgot to record earlier, but now that the pizza is here, we just want to tell you guys that it's really good.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू भैया, आपने हमारे साथ इतना कोऑपरेट किया और आपने इतने अच्छे से हमें सर्व किया, थैंक यू सो मच। और ये बेसिकली एक सोशल एक्सपेरिमेंट था। हमें आपने अभी देखा कि वो फर्स्ट लेवल की जो लड़की आई थी उन्होंने ड्रेस पहना था, और सेकंड लेवल में जो लड़की आई थी उन्होंने टी शर्ट और जीन्स पहनी थी, और थर्ड लेवल में वो जैकेट पहना था। तो बेसिकली हमें अंडरस्टैंड करना था कि आपका अफेक्ट बिहेवियर और आपका कैसे कंज्यूमर सर्विस चेंज होता है। तो आपने वो जो फर्स्ट लेवल की लड़कियां जो जिन्होंने ड्रेस पहनी थी, आपने उनको इतनी डिफरेंटली क्यों ट्रीट किया?
और वो इंस्टाग्राम फेमस थे, इन लोग फोटो वोटो निकल रहे थे, इसलिए उन लोग को ऐसा दिया और
Yes,
डिस्काउंट।
तो ये हमारा बेसिकली टॉपिक था रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ह्यूरिस्टिक्स। तो वहाँ पे हम बेसिकली अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहते हैं कि जैसे हम ड्रेस अप करके आते हैं तो हम कौन से स्टीरियोटाइप में फिट होते हैं। जैसे आपको लगा कि वो लोग इन्फ्लुएंसर हैं, तो हमें बस वो चेक करना था। थैंक यू सो मच भैया फॉर पार्टिसिपेटिंग, थैंक यू।
As you can see on the screen, our experiment highlights how individuals were treated differently based on their outfits in Cafe 1 and Cafe 2, where the influencers were treated the best in Cafe 1 and Cafe 2 with a free dessert from Cafe 1. Secondly, the individuals and casuals were treated neutrally in both the cafes. Lastly, the unkempt individuals were treated poorly in Cafe 1 as compared to Cafe 2.
As we move on to the bar graphs, we see how there's a clear distinction between Cafe 1 and Cafe 2. Cafe 1 is slightly more biased than Cafe 2. As we move on to the pie charts, we see how 58% of the individuals were treated neutrally, 27% of the individuals are treated specially, and 14% of the individuals are treated poorly. This shows that representative heuristic is at play, how the affect behavior and the consumer service of the staff changes according to our outfits.